Mastering conditionals. Make your English conversations shine. Hello, learners. Today we're going to be diving into an incredibly important topic in the English language: conditionals. More specifically, we'll be looking at how to use conditionals in conversations. Using conditionals is a powerful way to express possibilities, hypothetical scenarios, and even to give advice. So, let's get started. Conditionals are sentences with two clauses, an if clause and a main clause. The if clause is the condition under which the main clause will happen. For example, in the sentence, if it rains, I'll stay at home. If it rains is the if clause and I'll stay at home is the main clause. There are four types of conditionals in English. 1. First conditional, used for real and specific situations in the future. 2. Second conditional, used for hypothetical situations or unlikely events in the future. 3. Third conditional, used for hypothetical situations in the past. 4. Zero conditional, used for general truths or facts. Each type of conditional has its own distinct form and usage, which is important to remember when using them in conversations. Conditionals are everywhere in our conversations, but we might not always recognize them. Let's break down how each type of conditional can be used practically. First conditional. Use the first conditional to talk about real and specific situations in the future. It's great for making plans, promises, or predictions. For example, if it doesn't rain tomorrow, we'll go for a picnic. Second conditional. The second conditional is perfect for expressing unreal or hypothetical situations, often to talk about dreams, unlikely scenarios, or giving advice. For instance, if I were a millionaire, I would buy a yacht. Third conditional. With the third conditional, we talk about past events that didn't happen and their hypothetical results. It's a way to express regret or speculate about what could have been. Example: if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. Zero conditional. Finally, the zero conditional is used for facts or things that are always true. It can be used when giving instructions or describing habits. For instance, if you heat ice, it melts. Practicing conditionals will make them more natural in your conversations. Here are a few tips. 1. Try to think of your own examples for each type of conditional. 2. Use conditionals when you're talking about your plans, dreams, or general facts. 3. When listening to English, pay attention to how native speakers use conditionals. And that's it for today's lesson, learners. Remember, conditionals are a powerful tool in your English language toolkit. They can help you express a wide range of ideas, from real-life possibilities to hypothetical scenarios. Keep practicing and soon, using conditionals in your conversations will become second nature. Until next time, happy learning!